How to fix Spotify, something went wrong, try to reload in the page. Today guys, I will show you how to fix and solve this problem. Just watch this video till the end. So let's start. First, now you have to go and open the settings of your phone. After this, go directly to apps. On apps you will find here all the applications that you have on your phone. You will search just for Spotify. When you found Spotify guys, just open it like this and then go directly to storage option. Then go to the last button, clear data, click OK and go back and click on for stop and click OK. And the last things is to go into Play Store and updating your Spotify again. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful for you. Do not forget to like, also subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.